This video is brought to you by the English Mentor.
One word substitution for competitive exams. Almost in every competitive exam in which you appear after 10th or 12th or in graduation, there comes a question on one word substitution. After every question, 4 options are given as A, B, C, and D. And you will have to select one option within 5 seconds. Here I am giving you one question about one word substitution. The arrangement of events or dates in the order of their occurrence. And the options are A. Calendar, B. Diary, C. Chronology, and D. Almanac. Now you will have to answer the correct option within 5 seconds. And your 5 seconds time starts now. So now your 5-second time is over. What is the answer of this question is option C, chronology. Why the answer is chronology? For this, let us see the meanings of other 3 words. The first option is calendar. What is the meaning of calendar? A list of days and months, sometimes with holidays and festivals, etc. The option B is diary. What's the meaning of diary? A record of what happened in a day or what is to be done on which day. And you know the answer of chronology. Now the 4th option is almanac. Almanac is an annual publication listing a set of current, general, or specific information about one or multiple subjects. Now check the answer. If you have given the option C, that is correct. But if you have given any other option, then your 1 mark will be deducted. So be careful when you answer. You must know the meaning of other 3 options.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।